If you're a business owner or a content creator looking to grow their business, their brand, or maybe to increase sales for their product, then you might want to stay until the end of this video because I've discovered an incredible tool that is going to help you scale your business by running highly effective ads campaign for your products in a very cost efficient way. And I'm not talking about Facebook or Instagram advertising. I am talking about influencer marketing. One of the best marketing strategies to promote products and brands right now is through influencer marketing. And the reason is simple. Humans are emotional buyers. They buy out of emotions. So they would rather buy from someone they relate with or know than buying from some stiff and boring ad placement they see on their feed. But here's the thing. It's not just about finding some random influencers and hoping that the ads actually converts. It's about using the right tools to create smart, data-driven campaigns that actually converts. We now live in a time where AI is completely taking over the marketing world. I mean, companies are now replacing the entire marketing departments with AI teams because they are faster, smarter, and way more cost efficient. And the craziest part is that an AI marketing director only costs about $1 a year. $1. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tool that has completely changed the way influencer marketing works. And that tool is called AHA. It's an AI influencer marketing tool that automatically connects your brand to the right influencers or creators that has the right target audience for your brand on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And it's actually the world's first AI agent team for influencer marketing. It outperforms human expert benchmarks, has a built-in scaling for any industry, and it can adaptively match influencers catering to various industries' needs, effectively serving clients from different sectors like SaaS, consumer electronics, gaming, fashion, you name it. So whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this tool is designed to scale with any business. It can handle any size and complexity of ad campaign. So you can customize it to fit your goals and easily adjust as things changes. So this tool is completely transforming AI influencer marketing. I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how you can set up your first ad campaign. First, I'm going to show you how to set up your account and navigate the platform. Then we'll jump into creating your first campaign, and trust me, it's easier than you think. And I'm going to be walking you through every single step. Okay, so let's start. All right, so you're going to go to the description box of this video, click the link, and it's going to take you here. Then go here and click get started for free. And then you can register with your email address or with your Google account to start your 14-day free trial. As you can see, no credit card required, so you can start running ads for free. All right, next is to create your first ad campaign, and you're going to come at the top right corner here, click create a campaign. And you're going to meet the head of influencer marketing, Blake. All right. So what you're going to do next is to copy and paste the link of your website that you want to promote. Just copy and paste it here and click generate. So what Blake is doing is to carefully analyze your website to extract crucial information about your business, right? Like the business name, the pricing model, the product description, user interaction features. So it's going to use all the information that it has gathered from your website to understand your market business type, to identify top competitors in your niche, what is trending. And it's going to use all of these to generate creative ideas for your campaign. So after this is done, it's going to show you these are the campaign ideas that it has generated. So you can just go through and select the ones that you think is perfect for the campaign that you want to run. All right. So there are different ideas. You can see emotional mastery unleashed. So these are the different ad campaign that it has used, and it does this with analyzing your competitors campaign strategy, other competitors in your niche, their campaign strategy, right? So it's going to use all of that information to generate this. And if you don't like a specific idea, all you need to do is just go to the little blue box which is ticked and click on that, and you can just delete that campaign idea. You can also come back if you want it back, just come and tick it again and you can use that idea. All right. So once that is done, you're going to go to the top right corner and click generate key message. Next is going to generate a campaign brief, a tailored campaign brief that aligns perfectly with your brand's objective and of course that resonates with your target influencers. All right, so once that is done, you can just go ahead to review it and make sure everything is okay. As you can see, it has extracted the business logo. You also have the business name and then you have the competitors in your niche, right? Go now to campaign introduction, so you can review that and make necessary changes. And you have elevator pitch, and then go now to core functions and talking points. You have it has basically extracted everything from the website. So we go now to the core audience, right? So these are the audience that you are targeting, or your target audience. So you can add a specific target audience, or you can delete, right? So you have the delete icon besides at the right hand side of each of your audience type. So you can add a specific target audience if I just click on this add button. You're going to give a title to your target audience. It can be single parent, all right. Then give a brief description. And then you go now to advanced settings. You can add now the gender of your target audience, or then the age. You can add multiple age group here. And then you also have the interest. As for, you can see the gender is empty because I'm targeting both male and female. Now, once that is done, come here and click the next button. We go now to selecting your campaign objective, right? You have the traffic objective, lead, sales, sign-ups. I'm going to go for the traffic objective. So just select the objective here and then click the next button to use the information that you have provided previously to fill out this spaces here, but you can make manual changes, right? So the placement is basically what type of content or video content do you want, all right? So you can just delete the rest and leave the one that you want. You can also select the specific language you want the video to be made, and then you have location. Which location are you targeting? So you can select from the drop down arrow here, right? So you can select it from there. And once that is done, we go now to the post date, and you have the flexible and fixed post time. So the flexible is you deciding if you want the creators to publish their content as soon as it is approved, or you want it at a more fixed date where you where you give a designated time period where they are going to post the content. Right. So once that is selected, click generate, and you can now I'm going to click not now. All right, so it's going to use all the information that we have provided so far to curate or generate a special group of audience type or people that are more likely to have interest in the product. So in other words, it's like picking out the best groups of people who are more likely to have interest in your product. Again, you can review it and unselect the group of people you don't like to target by just clicking on the blue button. Now, once that is done, click on the next button. We go now to the budget and binding. And this is where you're going to put your budget for this ad campaign, all right? So it has automatically filled out this estimated budget for this campaign based on its analysis. But you can always do the manual adjustment. You can change the amount that you want to put in this ad campaign, right? So you can just click and change it here, and it's going to again analyze everything and show you an estimated campaign result based on how much you are going to be spending for this ad campaign. All right, so once you've set up your budget, you're going to go to the next step. So click here, and this is where you're going to place the link of your landing page or the link of the website that you want traffic to go to. All right, so I'm going to place the link here, and then we go now to advanced settings. Now this is the space where you're going to add some other useful informations like the do's and don'ts of your ad campaign, or maybe an explainer video of what your product is all about, or maybe if you have some videos that you want the creator to use in the ad campaign, you can upload all of that here. So this is a space you're going to put all of that. All right, so go to the final step, which is to review everything that we have added here, all the information of our website or of our products. All right, so you're going to review everything here. If it's okay, just click release. And as you can see, it says it's going to start charging you only after you have accrued costs from your campaign, right? So you can just click continue to launch, and that is it. So you can now start running your campaign. And another great thing about this tool is that once your ad goes live, it's going to provide you with an automatic analytic report of real-time performance to track the success of your ad campaign. So it's going to give you an easy to understand report showing how well your ads are doing, like how many people clicked or bought something. Now, because it works on a payment-based model, which means that your ads money gets spent based on the clicks that you get on your ads, it's going to do its utmost best to optimize your ad campaign for maximum engagement and conversion, which means that you don't waste money on running ads that doesn't convert. So if you're interested in influencer marketing, definitely check out this tool. The link is going to be in the description box. And I also noticed that AHA is launching on product hunts right now. So click the link in the description box. Check it out. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. And as always, see you in the next video.